Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Facebook feed plugin on Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to showcase your Facebook content directly on your website, keeping your visitors engaged with your latest posts and updates without them ever having to leave your site. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to elfsite.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but the process is straightforward and shouldn't take more than a minute or two. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with various options available. On the left side of your screen, look for the option that says Add New App and click on it. This will open up a menu showing you all the different widgets and plugins that Elfsite offers. There are quite a few options here, but for our purposes today, we need to find the Facebook feed widget. Go ahead and search for Facebook feed in the search bar, and once it appears, click on it to proceed. Now you'll be presented with several template options for your Facebook feed. These templates are pre-designed layouts that help you get started quickly without having to build everything from scratch. Browse through them and pick the one that best matches your website's style and aesthetic. Once you've made your choice, click Continue with this template to move forward. The next step is crucial. You'll need to connect your Facebook account to allow Elfsite to pull in your Facebook content. Click on the option to connect your Facebook account and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This step ensures that your feed will display the correct content from your Facebook page. Take a moment here to make sure you're connecting the right Facebook account, especially if you manage multiple pages. Once the connection is complete and you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish. A confirmation message will appear, and you can go ahead and click Close to exit that dialog. Your widget is now created and ready to be embedded. Now locate your newly created widget in your Elfsite dashboard. Click on the three dots next to that widget to open a menu of options. From this menu, select Embed Code. This is the code you'll need to place on your Squarespace site. Go ahead and copy the code. Make sure you've copied it completely, as missing even a single character could prevent the plugin from working properly. With your code copied, let's head back to your Squarespace site. Once you're on your Squarespace dashboard, click Edit to enter the page editor. Navigate to the section where you want your Facebook feed to appear, then click Add Block. A menu will pop up with various block types you can add to your page. Scroll through the options and click Embed. An embed block will now appear on your page. Click the pencil icon on the embed block to open its settings. You'll see a few options here. Click Code Snippet, then click Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the code you copied from Elfsite. Go ahead and paste the code into the field provided. Before finalizing everything, it's a good idea to see how it looks. Click Preview in Safe Mode to view your Facebook feed on the page. This preview helps ensure everything is displaying correctly and there are no issues with the layout. If everything looks good, click Save to apply your changes, then click Exit to leave the page editor. And there you have it. Your Facebook feed is now successfully embedded on your Squarespace site, allowing visitors to see your latest social media content right on your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.